Hey guys, so I'm gonna be making a video on my workout. So I have to build my workout station and I am dreading every moment of it. So part of me is going like, no, that inner voice, no. So I am really gonna fight it and become the better version of me. Because what is stopping you from doing what you wanna do? Like really. That's what I've been dealing with. Let's get real. Here we go. Let's start. Alright, hi guys. So I ended up not working out yesterday. This is a struggle that I've been dealing with, and I just thought maybe I'd put it out there for you guys, right? I always struggled going back to the gym. A year in, I would stop. And it was always because I questioned the reasoning of what is the real meaning behind this? And I'd always stop whenever I felt so much pressure. But why can't I continue to do that? These are my struggles. Are you guys feeling guilty? Like, are you? It's a real question. We have to talk about these topics because going to the gym is not just going to the gym and you're like a gym head and you're just like,
oh yeah, let's go to the gym, bro. Like we gotta hit them tricep. I don't just lift. Lifting is life. And then they're like, that's how I get all my success. That's why I have a multi-billion
company. I don't even know.
Multi-billion dollar company. Cash flow. Yeah, it's coming. Like, you know.
Yes, we do want that, guys, but we gotta be real with ourselves. Why are we struggling going back to the gym is a real question. Those Instagram posts, it's everything that's out there that really sets so much pressure on us. So this is why I come back to me. Find your motivation, guys. Number one, find your motivation. I'm not even gonna do 1, 2, 3. I just wanted to say number one. But I mean, guys, just find your motivation. Really, so make your reason. What's motivating me to go back now is that I have this channel where I really get to show you guys who I am. And people who relate and who are on that note as me, at that level, at that frequency, will match to my message. This is why I do this. To let you guys know that you have to find your own message. You do not have to be working out because you all of a sudden want to know everything about the body. If it's not of your interest, that doesn't have to be your path. Your path could just simply be, I work out because I love moving. Anybody who knows me knows I love anatomy and physiology. And that's why I started loving working out and recognize those things. That what actually is stopping me is others people's belief and me entertaining those thoughts. I'm entertaining the thought of others when I stop working out because I feel as if I need to meet someone's standards, and every time I meet up with my friends, I'm saying, yeah, I work out 5 times a week. 6 if like I'm feeling it, right? And everyone's like, oh, that's so impressive. That's awesome. Like, why are we deeming that as important in our society? Those are questions we have to ask ourselves. Do we deem that reasoning of society as actually important in our life? It's not you being lazy. It's just you have these limiting beliefs. Like, no, April, gym is not for me. It's like, yeah, gym is not for you. Maybe dance is for you. Or maybe you actually have a passion for another thing that you're not even aware of. You guys, we have infinite realities. Infinite, guys. Enjoy my video, guys, and my little workout, okay? I'll see you. Yeah. Bam. Awesome, so we usually start with the squats in my workouts just because they're my heaviest. Right now I'm not doing any heavy weights, but let's still begin with that just for practice. Squats are very important to squeeze at top if you want to hit the glutes. A lot of people have that misconception that squatting is good for the butt area, but I actually argue that going down, it's mainly focusing on the quads. So that is what's working the most during a squat. But you can get a little bit of the glutes if you squeeze at top. My tip for deadlifts are, if you're including it in your program, to understand that the majority of what deadlifts will do is hit your back and your glutes. So I'm just letting you know, because as far as torque goes, if you notice, it's just there's so much more range of motion going on in the hip flexors than in the knee flexors, which is the difference between the squat and a deadlift. So definitely glutes are felt here. As you can tell, I always put my butt way back instead of bending my knees more. You want to keep your shins as vertical as you can. Obviously, stance is different for everyone. I needed water. It was so hot. Wait, I'm talking loud? I don't know. My music's loud. Alright, let's keep on going. Alright, so now we're doing shoulder presses. This I just did so I can get some upper body motion while still using my legs to stabilize myself and also create the power I need to push the bar up. Yes, I am not using heavy weights, so technically I could have done it without my legs for this one just because it's not heavy enough. But again, technique and practice, guys, is very important when doing these two things, or when just performing any activity. I'm literally almost done. Damn. If this is what you like to do, then this is all worth it. This is all worth it. This exercise will also hit your quads. Down, the deeper you go, the more you feel it in your butt, because as you push upwards, you do have to use some of the diagonal fibers of the actual glute to go back up. And finally, we do abs. Abs will be so helpful for our core. As far as core stability and all of that goes, that's actually something that it's very much speculated in the world of kinesiology, of whether the actual ab workouts we're doing do anything to stabilize you or to create better performance or activities. I've seen myself that just the better core I have, or better strength in my stomach, the better I'm able to perform in other activities. So I just feel like this is an awesome supplement to make the rest of your exercises more effective. Bye!